Making a little quick video for those that have a 2020 Chieftain Darkhorse. I ended up having to take the fairing off so I can install these bars, these cast bars. Ended up having to take the windshield out too. Be mindful that there are these little tabs that will fall out. I almost lost one right there. When you're taking off the windshield, so put something back there to catch those. You're gonna have your speaker screws that's gonna have to come out underneath here to take out the screw that's holding the fairing there. That's gonna be on both sides. You'll have the two screws that are here on both sides, underneath the fairing there and there. And then when the fairing is on, it'll be tight as hell to get down there. But these four screws, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and I had to use a tool, had a little swivel on it to get down there and take off the fairing. Harness that you're gonna be working with is gonna be this one. When the fairing is on, it is a bitch to get in there and remove it, because all this on mine is all zip tied down, and you will not be able to get back there to get to this. This was the kept me from getting my work done. But I just want to share that for anybody that's out there doing handlebar installs or just trying to get the fairing off or whatever on a 2020 Indian Cheiftain Darkhorse. Hope this helps.